The upcoming Galaxy Z Flip-5 looks ready to take on Razr Plus in leaked real-world images. We're only a day away from the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event. We expect the manufacturer to introduce us to a few new gadgets, including the Galaxy Z Flip-5. But if you're too impatient to wait until tomorrow morning, a new leak has seemingly given us a real-world look at the upcoming foldable. While we've seen numerous leaked renders of the Flip-5, leaked real-life photos of the device have been few and far between. But thanks to a leaker on Twitter, we may have gotten another peek at the handset in the wild. As earlier leaked renders had suggested, it looks like Samsung managed to get the Flip-5 to fold flat and eliminate the gap. To accomplish this feat, the company is using a new water drop hinge, which was rumored to also make the device thinner. As for that pesky crease, it still seems to be there, but is hardly noticeable and is unlikely to stop the Galaxy Z Flip-5 from becoming one of the best foldable phones of 2023. There's also a shot that shows the phone fully open. Looking closely at the center of the handset, it's legitimately difficult to see the crease. Minimalization of the crease is supposed to be another benefit born from the newly designed hinge. Finally, there are a couple of photos showing off the front cover display. One image appears to show a calendar widget optimized for the smaller screen. The other image appears to show a number of additional widgets you can scroll through. As countless leaks have said, the outer screen appears to have grown in size. If rumors are to be believed, it has gone from 1.9 inches to 3.4 inches. More importantly, it will reportedly be able to run full versions of popular Google apps. The bigger screen should allow it to compete favorably with the likes of the Motorola Razr Plus, which have been appreciated for their generous and more useful cover units than the Flip 4. This is not the first time that we are seeing in the wild photos of the Galaxy Z Flip-5, but the previous one showed the phone shrouded in a thick case. The phone will likely be powered by a custom version of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and could be a little prissier than the outgoing model. So, what are your thoughts on these hands-on images of the upcoming Z Flip-5? Is it going to be the best foldable of 2023? Let us know your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.